Hey, and welcome to video number 6. We're going to talk about the messaging feature that is part of the Facebook timeline. This is the messaging feature. Now we're using Coca-Cola again as in the example, and if you go to the Coca-Cola page and up at the top you'll click on the link and it allows you to send feedback and messages to Coca-Cola. Now this is a great feature because it definitely enables you to deepen a relationship with your fans. So let me go through the advantages and the disadvantages here. So the advantages is it allows you to develop deeper relationships with your fans. And this is a great way to offer private customer service. So if somebody wants to contact you through Facebook, instead of whining about it in the public forums or the public page, which is probably not great, you can have them contact you and private message you and settle everything behind the scenes. And like I said, you can move a difficult discussion from the public to a private. Now, the disadvantages, however, is that you can message a fan only if they contact you. So they have to contact you once, and you can contact them twice after that. However, after the second time, you can't contact them unless they contact you again. So the power really is to the fans. And Facebook, as you know, they're trying to give a great experience for the fans. And then, like I said earlier, if a fan messages you, you can only message them twice. Now the problem is that you can get overloaded with private messages. So if you're not ready to handle them, then that can be an issue. However, this functionality is available to everybody. Yes, even your haters, even spammers, and non-fans as of now. Now Facebook can change that later on. However, that's one of the disadvantages at the moment. So if you can't handle the support and you don't want to take time to handle the support, while that can, help increase your profits, if you can't handle the support, then obviously you probably want to remove that button. Because if people start contacting you and they're interested in your product and they want to purchase your product and they don't get answers from you, you're going to lose a prospective customer or a current customer. So in order to remove that button, basically if you go to facebook.com and in your administrative dashboard area, if you go to the top of the page, click on edit page, and you're going to see this if you own the page. Select manage permissions, and then look for the area. There's going to be a box checked automatically by default. But you're going to look for a box that says people can send messages to your page name. So if your page name is, Pop and Lock Dance Group or Pop and Lock Video Productions, it'll say people can send messages to Pop and Lock Video Productions. And you want to make sure you uncheck that if you cannot handle support. However, like I said earlier, you're going to be losing out on a lot of potential business, but at the same time you're going to be getting spam and haters as well, but I know Facebook will probably fix that issue in the long run. However, if you want to outsource the social media support and you want to jump on so that you can scale your business and increase it, then you'll want to check out Odesk.com. Get people to do work for you for $3 an hour. I know that sounds like a ripoff. However, at the same time, Odesk.com, you can find people in the Philippines and elsewhere who are willing to work for $3 an hour. And guess what? A lot of people in the Philippines, they know how to speak English because, that's one of the main languages is English. So even so, you definitely want to test them out. Probably give them, ask them to write an article or something so that you can test them out, and or see if you can test their customer support skills, and then just hire them and go from there. And that way you can scale your business.